Okay, so the dashboard on your account is essentially a holistic 50,000 foot view of everything that's going on inside of your business that you can see as soon as you log into your account. So as soon as you start your day, you log into your account, you can spend 5 minutes understanding exactly the state of your business, exactly the state of your leads, your revenue, your close rate, and much, much more. So to start with, every account will have a default dashboard, which will look like the following of what's here on screen right now. However, the dashboard is completely customizable. So each tile here is what's called a widget. And these widgets are entirely customizable in terms of moving them around, in terms of deleting them, and in terms of adding new ones. To change the tiles of how your dashboard looks, go ahead and click on the pencil icon up here in the top right corner, and then go ahead and click on Add Widget. This will then add the widget menu onto the screen and will allow you to go through and navigate the different widgets that are available so that you can add them to your dashboard. So these are currently categorized by contacts, appointments, opportunities, emails, calls, conversations, and then more general widgets. So for the point of this tutorial, we're going to stick with the default dashboard, and I'm going to run through how each element works and explain a little bit about each tile. However, please feel free to customize any of these if you want to. So right off the bat, we have opportunity status, opportunity value, and conversion rate. So opportunity status is the status of the current deals within your pipeline. So the information of all of these 5 widgets here on screen are pulling information from your pipeline, so from your opportunity tab here in the left-hand sidebar. So right here we can see as soon as I log in, we have 4 deals that are currently in the works in the opportunities pipeline. We have 1 deal that was won, and we have 3 deals that is currently open. Next to that, we can also see a breakdown in terms of revenue of what this looks like. So we have a total of $25,500 of revenue. 4,750 of that is won revenue, and then the rest of that is open revenue, which is still in the works. We can also see a conversion rate here of 25%, and then we can see a funnel breakdown right below that of how each deal looks in the pipeline. So we have 100% of leads land in new leads, 50% of those leads land in discovery call booked, 50% of those leads then land in proposal call, and then 25% fall into follow-up, and then we close 25%. So this lets you see in terms of a next step conversion and a cumulative conversion in terms of percentages and rates of how you're converting each lead and what those percentage rates look like, which then lets you judge the results of your sales team and see if your sales team are performing the way they should be. We can also see a stage distribution chart here, which shows all of the same stages of the pipeline in funnel, but in a different style chart, and then shows each deal number of how many deals are in the pipeline and at what point in the pipeline they're at. You also have things then underneath that, such as the tasks that are due, coming due, or overdue will appear in this tab here. We have manual actions, so any manual SMS, any manual phone calls, anything like that will show here. You also have lead sources, so you'll be able to see a lead source report of leads coming through email, coming through social media, coming through word of mouth. You can track them all in here and start to be able to see which lead sources are the most effective for your business. And then underneath that, we have a bunch of other social media and lead generation reports, such as Google Analytics, Google Business Profile, as well as Facebook ads and Google Ads reports. So if you're setting up Google ads, if you're setting up social media ads, you'll be able to see the metrics of everything that's going on within those ads within your dashboard. So every day you can be monitoring those and making sure that you're hitting the right metrics and that your business is growing. And then finally, if we scroll back up to the top, you can actually have more than one dashboard. So if you click on this icon here up in the top left corner, it'll open up a drop-down menu where you'll have your default dashboard already created. However, if you wanted to create a brand new dashboard, and say you want this dashboard purely for social media reports, and then you hit confirm, and this will make a brand new dashboard where you can then start adding specific widgets to this dashboard, which is relevant to the title of what this dashboard is for. So you can create multiple dashboards around certain topics, or you can create one main dashboard that houses all of the information within one page and allows you to see it at that 50,000 foot view. And then finally, as a last point, you can go ahead and change the dates of your data by clicking up here in the top left, which you can then go ahead and set a custom date range of the metrics that you're viewing in your dashboard. And you can also click this week, last week, 7 days, this month or year to speed up the process. So that is how the dashboard works, and I hope this helps.